here?
I found one early.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, we want to spot her today.
Woo! Oh, this is great.
Vaya, ni metiste carne. ¡Vámonos!
This is fun.
De la misma. Ajá.
No, yo sé.
No, no.
We should have done this in Daryl's car.
I know. It's a brand new car.
Hermano, ayer me metí por ese programa. And here, I gotta stop here.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, because there is a hole. Casi me voy por ahí. Y me quedé pegado. Piping line for our town. The water we drink comes spring water.
Yeah.
Fresh water from the mountains.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And in this area live 4 families. For them, the path of the river is the road for going to school, supermarket, hospitals.
Alright, my friends, here I got a special plant. Smell. Any guess?
Mint?
Nope.
No.
Oh.
Well, like licorice almost.
Yeah, there you go. Licorice. This is species, so it's a medicinal. So you can smash like this, or someone will heat it. When you have like something like well like that, work for any bites, wasps, bees, ants. You
Oh,
go
really?
around, and that will help. The Spanish name is anise.
Oh yeah, aniseed. Yeah, we say aniseed. Like ouzo in Greece, the alcohol ouzo. It's made from that.
Yep.
Yeah, fermented licorice.
Marsh.
Have you ever had it?
Yes, I have.
It's a sipping drink.
Still marsh.
Yeah.
Almost like the egg.
Yeah.
Banana trees.
Banana trees. Yeah.
This one, the name is Gavilana. So if you go party or you drink at home too much the night before, you can boil it with water and with tea. That tea will help you for a hangover.
Huh. Okay.
The name is Gavilana.
Okay.
You guys, you have tattoos?
What is that?
Tattoos, you have?
Oh, tattoos? No.
No.
Right, I'm gonna make the first one to you.
Okay.
The first tattoo. I'm gonna do this. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. There we go.
Awesome.
Firm tattoo.
There you go.
Thank you.
The name of the firm is Lady Firm. Guys, over here I got this one. It's one of my favorite plants around. So this one is a sensitive. When you touch her, she's gonna sleep. See?
Oh, yeah.
The name is Mimosa sensitiva. She's gonna be like that for 15-20 minutes. And
Oh, cool.
when she feels safe again, we'll back and open the leaf. Around in the afternoon, around 5:30 or 6 p.m., she goes sleep. She closes all the leaf until next day.
Oh, that's cool.
Español, we call dormilona.
Okay.
Dormilona means it's a person that sleep a lot of time.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. That's slippery. Alright.
Alright guys. Smell this. Any guess? Huh.
Oh, okay.
Go ahead. It's a medicine tree.
Aloe? No.
No.
No, that was a little plant.
You know
Oh,
the
yeah.
experiment?
Which one?
The mental
Oh,
experiment?
mental,
Yes, that's
yeah.
what it is. Yeah.
So you know the big paper?
Oh, big paper rub, okay.
Yeah.
In Costa Rica we have the same thing that we use for kids. When they cannot breathe, they put in the chest and the back and the noise.
Uh-huh.
This one is the plant. The name is, we call it cepulillo. The name of the plant is Articasia. So it's not natural. This one, the name of the plant is begonia. We're going to take one small piece for each one,
Okay.
and then we're going to eat it. How is it?
Oh,
Crunchy like lettuce.
sour.
Yeah,
A little
yeah.
sour.
Actually, the common
I like
name, how we call this, white lettuce.
Uh-huh.
But it's because have like texture from lettuce, but
Oh.
it's kind of sour.
Yeah.
All the plant is eatable. You see her?
Where? Oh, yeah.
No.
Oh.
Say that.
Oh, there it is.
No. No.
Okay.
They
Don't do that.
at all.
Don't
Oh.
do that.
What is it? Oh, it's okay. No, we'll be
It's
over
a
here.
viper.
It's a viper.
Oh, shit, I didn't know.
Oh, you're lucky.
Oh, yeah.
Let's tear your ass
Too
up,
close.
viper.
Okay, sorry.
Go like here.
Oh, got
no
it.
more
Okay.
close.
Got it. Okay.
Alright. You scare me.
Sorry, I wouldn't do it. Sorry. I didn't know what it was. I've seen green
You
snakes.
can go like here.
I've seen green snakes in Africa, but they were not poisonous. I didn't know that was a viper.
That's all right.
Good excited. I love snakes.
Not that one.
Favorite reptile.
That one's not friendly.
Alright.
Got a mean streak.
So this one, the poisonous attack cells of the blood, or the blood, right?
Oh, yeah.
So that one, so you can have 1 hour probably to get the antidote. If you spend more time, probably a couple hours, the poison will start attack the organs,
Yeah.
and then you can die, right? So.
Yeah.
Slippery rocks, so we're going slowly. I'm the queen of finding every slippery rock, trust me. But then I'm an ice skater, so I know how to flinch, so I don't fall.
Got it?
Oh, chilly! Good. Yeah.
Get here, we're going outside the water. Step right here,
Okay.
step here. Up, right?
All right, stepping stones, okay. Oh, we got our Sherpa.
Great.
Oh, it's cold. Great, yeah. afternoon. My hair is wet because we were jumping in the waterfalls. That waterfall hike was fantastic. It is, you can find the, I don't know where I put the little form. It's in here somewhere. We're borrowing our friend's car, but anyway. Yeah, so we're in Jaco or Jaco in, I don't know, back in the coast, and we're hungry. It's only like 4 o'clock and it's already getting dark. It's already starting to rain. I think you can see there. Yeah, the clouds are coming in, which is normal for Costa Rica. It gets dark at 5:30. So we're gonna go find some place to go eat dinner and watch the sunset rather than driving to where we're staying, which is gonna be about an hour from here, and it's gonna be dark by the time we get there. So we don't wanna be seeing the sunset in the car. We wanna sit somewhere and eat some good food. But that was really good. That was a fun waterfall hike. So, okay, so we're gonna get going, and I don't know where we're gonna eat dinner. We saw the pig, and that was fun. So, okay, bye.